Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another crash video. Today I'll be showing you how to sound like venturing, also known as Jane Remover. I covered this song in the dark, which I've been really liking a lot recently, and it's also been blowing up on TikTok, so I'm sure a lot of you guys know it. But yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and play the cover for you guys, and then I'm gonna break down the presets afterwards.
I don't get jealous watching us all alone, making sparks. When they close, I'll take you home, 'cause I know who you are. When we walk the line, head on my shoulder, 'cause we know it's hard. Couldn't change my mind, I'm forever dancing in your heart. And I get jealous watching us all alone in the dark. Don't need to sell my soul.
Alright, so that's how the preset sounds like. There's a total of 5 presets. There's a main, there's a route for the main, there's a left layer, the right layer, and the route for the layers. The auto-tune, this is the auto-tune settings. It's like, I don't think it's exactly on key, unfortunately, but this is as close as I could get it. I'm using auto-tune pro for this. Any auto-tune works, evo works as well. I'm gonna include evo, but if you have pro, I would probably recommend that since it's less harsher on the voice. The auto-tune for this is what I use for that. And then this is the OTT for the main preset, and then this is the OTT for the route for the main, just in case if anything works. I mean, if anything ends up messing up, I know that happens a lot. So this is the settings for both of those. And then right here, this is the OTT settings for this. For the layers, it's the same for both of these. And this is a route OTT settings. But yeah, so that's how I set that up. I'm gonna play the vocals again with just the presets only, no instrumental, so you can hear the more accurate sounding of the preset. I'm also gonna turn them off while I play it, so you can hear how it sounds dry and wet.
In the dark, don't need to sell my soul, just to know who you are. They want what we got. Oh, couldn't change my mind, I'm forever dancing in your heart. And I'm used to lies, I should warn you, my heart's been had enough. I'm so scared we'll die if I tell you I loved you from the start.
And then to set up the presets, it's really simple. Here, I'm gonna scroll over here to kind of go to like a blank area. So let's say you just downloaded the presets and you got them all in the folder and everything. This is what it's gonna look like, something like this if you put it in your FL. If not, if it's on your desktop, either way it works, that's fine as well. But just drag and drop. All you gotta do is a simple drag and drop right here, put it into an empty slot, and then do the same thing for the route. And then boom, you go down here, press this button right here, make sure this is on, connected to the route, and then unlink it from the master. And then do the same for the left layers and the right layer. And then you get the what's gonna be called layer route, but for now it's just ad-lib route. So then you go to left layer, unlink it, link it to the route for layers, and then the same for the right. And that's it. That's all the setup. That's all you have to do. It's a very simple setup, but I know some people could get it confused. But all right, and that's pretty much it for the video, for the presets, the breakdown. Like I said, the settings, I'm gonna make sure to timestamp them just in case if you guys need that. So if you need any help with other more complicated like situations that you guys have, you could always DM me on Instagram on @7akkiro or the crash account. Feel free to join the Discord that I have linked in the description as well. It's a big community hub servers that we have, so if you're interested in that, you go ahead. If you want to share your music, connect with more people and all that stuff, that's the spot to go to, bro. So yeah, do that if you're trying to do that. And but yeah, anyways, that's really it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, peace out.